Do you find blending acrylics to be challenging sometimes? I certainly know I have in the past. And today what I want to show you is how I mix two acrylic mediums together, and it creates a longer open time and allows me about 25 minutes of blending without adding additional sprays of water. Let me show you what I mean. Once I apply this medium to the surface of my painting, the paint blends so easily and smoothly. The two mediums that I'll be using today are both by Liquitex, Slow Dry Blending Medium and Flow Aid. The Slow Dry Blending Medium is a thicker medium. The Flow Aid is actually more runny and thinner. I begin with the Flow Aid, and the mixture between the two would be 40% Flow Aid to 60% of the Slow Dry Blending Medium. So now I secure the lid and give it a good shake. The shaking does cause some small air bubbles, but they do settle down in about an hour. I first apply a very light, thin layer of this medium we just created, and this will allow the paint to blend and glide easily across the surface. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this technique in blending acrylic paint really helps you too. And just remember, when the paint gets tacky, allow it to dry or dry it with a blow dryer and then begin the process again. If you try this technique, please drop a comment below. Tell me how it worked out for you. Thank you again. Bye.